In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to cut objects in Blender. The first method is useful when your object has nice edge loops and you want to cut it through an existing edge loop. Go to Edit Mode. Select the edge loop you want to cut through. Press V. It will duplicate the edge. Right-click to accept it. Press A to select all faces. Press P to open the separate menu. Select the By Loose Parts option. Now, go to Object Mode and move the separated part. You can move the new mesh origin by going to the Object menu, Set Origin, then Origin to Geometry. You can easily fill the remaining hole. Select its edge loop and use the Fill command from the menu. You can do the same for the other part. This time, I'll use Grid Fill for better mesh topology. The second method is useful when your mesh is high poly or it has bad topology. I have this high poly mesh and I want to cut it. Go to Edit Mode and enable the Bisect tool, hidden under the Knife tool. Press A to select all faces. Click and drag to cut the mesh. Open the Bisect Properties panel. By selecting the Clear Inner or Clear Outer options, you can remove one side of the mesh. By enabling the Fill checkbox, it fills the remaining hole. If you want to keep both halves of the mesh after cutting it, do the following. Go to Edit Mode and enable the Bisect tool. Press A to select all faces. Cut the mesh by clicking and dragging on it. This time, press V, then right-click. Press A, then press P, and from the Open menu, select the By Loose Parts option. Go back to Object Mode. You have both parts of the mesh separated. If you want, you can select the edge loop of the remaining hole and fill it like before. This time, I want to cut just one of the horns. I do all the steps like before. As you can see, when I try to cut one of the horns, the other one is cut too. I don't want this to happen. I undo it. To prevent this, you need to select only the parts of the mesh you want to be affected by the bisect tool. Using the Select Lasso tool in Edit mode, I select around the horn. As you can see, the back side of the horn is not selected. You need to enable X-ray mode to select all sides. Now, I use the Bisect tool to cut the horn. This time, it was cut successfully without affecting other parts of the object. The third method is useful when you want to cut an object using another object. We use the Boolean modifier to do that. I want to cut the head with a sphere. I place it where I want to cut the head. Select the head and add a Boolean modifier to it. Make sure the difference option is selected. Click the eyedropper icon and select the sphere, then apply the modifier. As you can see, the head has been cut by the sphere. You can do the opposite too. Cut the sphere with the head. You need to add a Boolean modifier to the sphere and follow the same steps as before.